Kongres ka Kynnoh ba kani ka Sorkar MDA ka kadap daki Bamsap sudah naduk kali Haduh tersim kejan. Apakah minta kasih kalau putri yang aja kendak absau Noilam ke orang di Kongres Komiti pada page kami kaya Matthew Anthony lah Kynnoh bahkan ni ka Sorkar MDA itu Wilam dari NPP keratap dari Bamsap Haduh Niuhmat dari umtrang ba konar ke sang ma umur setia banlai namar bahkan ni ka sedang naduk kamera jong apakah tasngiu Anthony ong baka jingrang ke political executive committee ka NPCC kabalong hanin kasngia silong kaya thi ki kam Bamsap kani ka Sorkar NPP nando skim sam skim si spasngi berkiwe ki skim jong pait ba kula Kynnoh baka kam Bamsap ka sedang nando ka office jang ba berkahil asut syaki kedan basyapo baka kongres kan sapule wat bne ya kani bantat ai ke jing sya syaki pait ba kalaya.
Uh, we want to speak to the people of Meghalaya. Yesterday in Meghalaya, Pradesh Congress Committee office, we had our political executive committee meeting. The political executive committee also raised issues on the exorbitant corruption allegations against the NPP government, where anything and everything is for sale, and which has increased the cost of living, which has increased the difficulties, which has increased the burden of the people of Meghalaya, starting from water scam to all other scams. You touch anything, it is a scam. The MGNREGA scam. Everything is going out of control, and the chief minister is not able to exercise any control over his administration because large corruptions are being led from the chief minister's office, and then hence the lower level corruptions cannot be even addressed to, which is a concern which is being raised by the Congress workers during the political executive committee. We have resolved that we will take up this matter, we will study these matters and take this issue up with the people of Meghalaya for the interest of the people of Meghalaya.